Guys, it's Grape Juice. I want to make a video today because I did one in a long time ago, I think, but that other one I did cringe. Hello guys, welcome back again, and today I'm showing by the title, I'm showing all my fidget spinners, all May fidget spinners, because I always say my in May, May. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the worst to last, worst to best. Let's do this quick. This one is from I don't know why I got it, and it was supposed to be metal, but it had this random SpongeBob on it, and it said toys. Yeah, and it's plastic. If you drop it from somewhere, it's gonna break. I thought it was metal. What a ripoff. That's why it was $2 on eBay. Still looks pretty cool. It makes so much noise. So yeah, that was the first one. The next one is pretty cool. I think it's from China or Japan. So look. They have these are dragons. They have I don't know what, just random words. I don't like this one, and I put it for the worst ones because look, when I bought it, it had scratches all over it. It was used, but it didn't say used. It was in the box, and look, it's all scratched up. Okay, I'm taking off the bearings because I'm showing you what it looks like. The bearings look like. Look at that. All these scratches, even the inside. I didn't even use this since yesterday. It came yesterday. Look. It's even scratched up inside. What a ripoff. I'm gonna report this. Cause bruh. This is not good. It showed the really cool looking fidget spinner on the front like this, but it didn't show all dents and all that. So I put that one. The worst one that I don't even have the bearing for is this thing right here. Look. I'm just planning on getting the bearing out. Because, look, this is it can't even spin at all. Maybe I can poke a stick through it and then spin it. But that's in a different episode. So this one is the worst one. It's even worse than the Chinese, Japanese, whatever it is. So, let me show you the gold fidget spinner. It's just cool. I'm doing this real quick before I'm going to Denny's in 15 minutes or 10. So yeah. Pretty cool. Even the middle spins for a minute. So yeah. Spins, it does stuff, whatever. So I'm trying to do this real quick because I'm wasting lots of time just okay, there we go. Taking every minute. Okay, so this is the gold one. It's a really cool one, but it shakes a lot. Yeah, I almost hit my eye for a second. This is the Overwatch fidget spinner, and this is the circle fidget spinner. That's what it looks like. Trying to put this real quick. Firework fidget spinner. It's pretty cool. And I call this the firework fidget spinner because it looks like fireworks, and I call it the DIY gold fidget spinner because take off the things. Take off and make it your own. Okay, so that was it. I said fidget toys in the title. So look, a Rubik's cube. You can do anything with it. It's the best one. Actually, it's the worst one because everyone has it. Okay, these are the two last ones and the best ones. Even look, it comes like in this rubber case. No, actually fabric case. I'm so stupid. Okay, so this is the Captain America one. Pretty cool. I'm looking at the back right now. I'm getting hypnotized. Just look. That's on the back. Spin it real fast. I don't want to chop it. You're gonna get hypnotized. So the best one of all of them is this one. Not the Captain America one. This. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip. Watch me, baby, watch me whip it through the sky. Little Einstein. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This took a whole month to come. Like it arrived 2 weeks ago. Oh my god, that's so detailed. Look at that. It looks like something in Egypt times. This is the first ever fidget spinner, everyone. It's in Egypt times. It even has like a dinosaur eye. Sharp. A thing that I hate about it is spin it real fast. It shakes in your hand. So yeah, that was it. I'm sorry. I wanted to do it real quick before I took too much memory from my phone because that happened. I took 12 minutes to view the first one to the Captain American one. I was like, the final one of all is this one, and then it stopped. So I was very upset. I didn't show the Rubik's cube though. It's stupid. So I'm just keeping this in the corner, and because on Friday we're moving to a different house. This Friday. We have so many fidget spinners. Getting more eBay because I'm cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like, comment below, whatever you want to do, and yeah, bye.